Ang banana
I have nothing in my plate. How am I supposed
I will give you a fish.
Mom, is there
How was the fish, Dad?
Mom, the skin.
Oh, dude, like fish good.
Yeah, that's the ocean. Tanaw na to guys, kumukaon ba sila ani? Okay, di ko magbanha nga. Di na ko anon ba, Ingleson ba? Pero binaguungan ni.
It's a bit of food, yay.
Binagugungan. Baguong na kanang nay rice. Kuan ba kanang ginamos, gibutangan ako ginamos, ginisa. So ayan nato kung kaon ba. Pag maingon gani, lami. Nakabasa. Di lamang ta magbanha lagi. Yeah, I will give you fish.
Look, my fish.
Di naman ta magbanha ba na ay kuan gihaluan na to.
What's this?
Eh di mo kuno sila muka og buwad.
Ooh,
Pero pag di ko magbanha nga buwad na, mukaon sila.
skinny.
Oo.
That's uneven.
Ja kini kay di ba sila ganahan o ginamos? Tananing hungit ng isa. How was it, Yara?
Good.
Oh, good. Good?
Yeah.
Ah, that's
nice.
good. Oh, good job.
Very good.
How sa silang himayan sa kanang nay mga
Mix all the fish to my rice. More.
himayan na to sa daan. Mga bata.
And
Watch out for the bones, eh? Maybe mommy missed something.
okay. I'll check it first.
Gulay. Ato po silang himayan o gulay. Diba? Nanghinaw ba dyan ako guys, no? Ako ba dyan nagluto? So hinlo ka dyan kamot. Sige, hugas-hugas o kamot. Kaya siyempre hugasan ng mga gulay, magluto. Ah,
It's a green thing.
yeah.
Whatever it is, a plant.
A plant.
I hate it.
Good job. Himayan to sila gulay.
Mom, it's just fed with
You
this.
like it?
Mix it to my rice.
That's good. Tastes good kuno guys.
Mix it to my rice. It will taste good.
Ako'y kaon na ng gahi. Gahi na kuan ba kinay na sa kuan.
Mom,
Sa mga dahon, ang
Mom,
mga anak.
I'm trying to save the skin, so because I like the skin.
Aw. Good job.
Mom, look.
You like the skin?
Mom, it's fish, this plant, and rice.
This plant. Vegetables. Oy, I don't know. I forgot the name.
Mom,
It's almost like bok choy.
Mom, look at this. In one huge food. Guys are the most slowest.
You're slowest.
I eat the whole
Mga untaga.